over the last couple of weeks, we have done or completed all of the demolition. We have done trenching for all of the plumbing, which we've got Pink Plumbing on site getting that work done for us right now. We had to come up with a little bit of miracle work over here to figure out how to work plumbing around over here, but that's what we do best here at Sprucehill, is we come up with innovative ideas to solve problems. And once this is done, the clients won't even know that we had to come up with an innovative idea. Back here, in between these walls here, we have this is the old exterior wall here. And what we've had to do is jackhammer that out. And we will be extending a hallway, basically right down here. There will be a hallway that'll extend down into their living room. We're making great progress. We did this project in a little bit of a phased approach so that they could continue to live in the home and have a place for one of their children to sleep in. We've completed her bedroom now, a rec room area that we've made a temporary room for her, and she'll be moving into her new bedroom over the next couple of weeks. Then we'll start demolishing over there so that we can complete the entire renovation.